Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. So from the beginning of the session, let me thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. So today's question is from trigonometry. Evaluate 2 sine pi over 22, 3 pi over sine 3 pi over 22, sine 5 pi over 22, sine 7 pi over 22 and sine 9 pi over 22. We have to find the value. So let's rearrange the terms in this way. So this is equal to 2 sine. Here I am writing your 11 pi minus 10 pi over 22. That means pi over 22. I am writing 11 pi minus 10 pi. Similarly, the second term I will write 11 pi minus 8 pi. Now you can guess the next term. It will be 11 pi minus 6 pi by 22 sine 11 pi minus 4 pi over 22, and the last term is sine 11 pi is 2 pi over 22. So 11 pi over 22 means nothing but your pi by 2. So this is equal to 2 sine pi by 2 minus 10 pi by 22, or I can write it 5 pi by 11. Next is sine pi by 2 minus this will be 4 pi by 11 sine pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 11 sine pi by 2 minus pi by 11. Last one is sine pi by 11. All the formulas we know, that is it will be converted to cos, because 90 minus theta is cos theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will be cos 5 over 11. Next will be cos 4 pi over 11. Next is cos 3 pi over 11, cos 2 pi over 11, cos pi over 11. Now it seems a familiar question. So I'll arrange in this way. First is 2 cos pi by 11. Increasing order the value of this theta, I'll write cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, and cos 5 pi by 11. We know the trick. That is, I'll multiply with a sine pi by 11 both in the numerator and denominator, or I'll divide one sine pi by 11 both in the numerator and denominator, into cos pi by 11 is 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11 is 4 pi by 11, and cos 5 pi by 11. So in the next step, I'll take this sine pi by 11, cos pi by 11, it will become sine 2 pi by 11, sine 2 pi by 11, and there is a 2 cos pi by 11. So it can be made into a formula, double formula, but we need a 2. So I'll multiply. In the next step, I'll multiply a 2 both in it will be 2 here 2 sine pi by 11. Next I'll make into cos sine 4 pi by 11. It is 4 by mistake. I've written 2, it will be 4. It will be sine 4 pi by 11, and I'll arrange cos 4 pi by 11. I'll keep together, and cos 3 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11 separate. And here there was a 2 sine 11 in the denominator. Then again I'll multiply 1 2 here and 2 in the denominator, and this I'll make into sine 8. This will be your sine 8 pi by 11, 3 pi by 11, and cos 5 pi by 11 full over 4 sine pi by 11. In the next step, I'll change this 8 pi by 11 as sine pi minus 3 pi by 11. So this will be sine pi minus 3 pi by 11, because it makes you 8 pi by 11. This makes you sine 3 pi by 11. Sine pi minus theta is same as sine theta. Cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Sine pi by 11. Now again I'll multiply 1 2 in the numerator and denominator, so that this will becomes your sine 6 pi by 11. Eight sine pi by 11. So next we will multiply again 2 both in the numerator and denominator. So it will be, this will makes you sine, it is, no, again I'll change, sorry, very sorry, I'll change here. I'll make it 2 sine, it will be pi minus 5 pi by 11, and cos 5 pi by 11. Here 16 sine pi by 11. So we are getting 2 sine 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11, 16 sine pi by 11. So this makes you sine 10 pi by 11 by 16 sine pi by 11. So in the next steps, we'll change the sine 10 pi as pi minus pi by 11, pi minus pi by 11, and here 16 sine pi by 11, and pi minus theta is same as sine theta, it will be sine pi by 11, sine pi by 11, and 16 is there. So the answer is 1 over 16. These two will be cancelled. So this answer is your 1 over 16. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching. Keep on learning.